Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how we can form an LLC in New Mexico. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this website called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing website, which is an amazing company, that's the word, which is going to help you form your LLC. So what you want to do is just click here on LLC, and then you're going to see here, start your business with confidence. What do you want to call your LLC? And I'm just going to write here Stones Company. That's like the name of the company that you want. I'll just add your own name there. Then just write here New Mexico. In a state would you like to form a Stones company, you can search if it's actually available. And then just simply click here and add email address. Get my LLC. When do you want to launch? Let's go with a soon. And it's exciting. Continue. Is Stones company a first LLC? Just add here yes or no. What will Stones company do? And you just write here like e-commerce or let's say restaurant, florist, like again, what you're gonna do actually. Continue. Will Stones company have employees in the first year? You just add here no or yes. Essential services for Stones company. By law, you will require a registered agent. You will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation. Again, you choose which one. Like these are the important things that you need, essential services. And now you can relax or do it with their registered agent, LegalZoom, or you can also find a different registered agent. I recommend going with LegalZoom and you get everything figured out for yourself. Continue with LegalZoom. And these are the first essential documents that you need. So the first option is to have operating agreement, or you can go operating agreement plus, and that's what I recommend, or you can go with also with licenses and you got everything covered. Again, completely up to which one you choose, or what you can do is to provide your own documents that you're not going to do this with LegalZoom, right? Then business services for Stones company. This is something that LegalZoom offers for you. So the first that you can have is a 30-minute consultation with independent attorneys about tax, like some tax informations, how we can work with taxes, or some if you have some like legal issue, they can help you. Again, you don't need to have it, no thanks. Then you're gonna see total compliance here, that they help you set up and stay compliant, taking care of annual report and formalities. But what I really like about this is that if they miss anything, they pay the fine or penalty, not you. So you can again take the trial, it's $280 a year or no. And then you have option here to choose economy, standard, or express gold. Service, I recommend going with like standard or express gold because you're gonna have like in 15 days or 10 days everything figured out. And when you're gonna choose like express gold, when you would scroll down, you would see it here that 7 days a week you get a lifetime customer support, and it can be really helpful for you. So when I'm going to choose the express gold here, I can simply, they can also help you open checking account, but you don't need to have it. And in checkout, you're gonna see it right here, Express Gold, New Mexico Filling Fee, pretty easy, pretty simple. You can simply change that if you want to something else. So to like standard or economy, you can update the order and it's much cheaper right now. Then you just like click continue checkout. And you just add the first name, last name, and address and everything. And why do I recommend doing this? Only because, guys, I've seen plenty of people who are starting a business. They're all about accounting. They're all about trying to figure out legal stuff, business administration. They're not focusing on increasing revenue. And that's why I'm here. So I could help you develop processes which can help you increase the revenue. If you want to, you can contact me down below in an email and I can give you some advice. And that's pretty much it. So what is the goal here is to plan your day in advance, what you're gonna do tomorrow. Then in the end of the day, reflect in what way, if you were effective, much more effective comparing to yesterday, if you rested well comparing to yesterday work and yesterday like whole day. And then also the goal is if you're gonna have like 10 hours of work that you can put into your business, and let's say in 10 hours of work you can get this type of quality and this type of content, this amount of content or this amount of work for 10 hours of work. What is the goal here? For 10 hours of work, you want to increase how much you're gonna actually work, right? How much the results you're gonna have. And that's how you can achieve it, is if you're gonna eat more healthier, if you're gonna disable notifications. My camera is off right now. If you're gonna disable notifications on your mobile phone, etc. So that's really important to create those processes and be more effective. So yeah, thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye. See you.